Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to join the 𝗶혜 webinar today. I'm Wang Zhong, the product manager of 𝗶혜 Asia, mainly in charge of PES and LDDS segment, which includes the automatic door and the industrial door segment. So last year we did 2 times webinar, mainly focused on the swing door market application introduced and the industrial door introduced. After that, we get a lot of feedback that the people really interested about this webinar and want to know more about the sliding door and others. So in the past few months, we prepared this sliding door. So today, let me introduce the sliding door market application and the sensors to you all today. So during my introduce, if you have any question, you can leave your question on the webinar. After presentation, we can answer the question to you. So, okay, let's start. So today, my presentation also includes 3 parts. First one is a market insight, because 𝗶혜 is a global company. As our business in the past experience, we have some data about the market situation for the automatic door. So we share to you all about the market insight and the development trend. Next part is regarding the sliding door security. For the sliding door, how to secure the door, not only the convenient for the people and also need a safety enough. Okay, so third part is how to ensure the sliding door is safety enough. We offer some sensor solution introduced, how to evaluate the risk and protect the people on the different scenario and application. So we start to the first part about the market insight industry. So firstly, we show the market development. This is a global automatic door revenue development estimate in the next 10 years. So as we can see, the year 2023, the whole global automatic door revenue is around $22 billion. But in next 10 years, the market will be stably growth with 6.71% to keep growth, very stable. And as the estimate in 2033, it will be reached to the $42 billion. This is for all of the automatic door, include the sliding, swing door, revolving door, all of the kind of the automatic door. If we only take the sliding door, it is hold 42% in this whole market. Yep. So for the automatic door, we separated by the sensor-based and without sensor automatic door. For the sensor-based, have 46% revenue in 2023. So in future, this percentage will be increase. So this is globally the revenue side. So let's see by the regional for the Europe, American and Asia regional market share. We can see the North American is 37% market share, but for the Asia is 30%. Yep. So if we only focus on the Asia Pacific automatic market, the growth is a little bit higher than the global average. It's reached to the 6.88%. So the market situation in Asia is a little bit better than the average. So this is revenue. If we focus on the volume, because if we talk about the volume, the biggest volume is coming from the swing door and the sliding door. So we separate the percentage of swing door and the sliding door in globally by the volume. We can see the sliding door can get 60% is a sliding door, and the swing door is 40%. This is a whole global separated. But if we go to the different region, the situation will be a big difference for between the different region. For the United States, most of door is a swing door, automatic swing door. It go to the 82%, but only 80% is a sliding door. Europe is mostly is half, for 53% and 47%. For the Asia, we make a clear feel there is a lot of sliding door around us in a different building, entrance. You adopt a lot of sliding door. So the number is 88 is a sliding door and 12% is a swing door. But recent years, we can see the swing door volume start to increase well. Yeah. So this is based on the volume and the different region situation. Okay, so in Asia, a lot of sliding door. So where this sliding door are sold and installed, here is some information. Firstly, is 58% installed to the commercial segment. What means the commercial is like airport, train station, and shopping mall, and office building, such kind of a segment. And there is a 22% installed in the hotel, and 70% in the hospital, and 3% installed to the residential. And for the residential market, start a few years ago, but recent year we also can see the growth well. Okay, this is a sell and installed place. So we also observe the door development trend. Some special point can be shared. First one is after a lot of automatic door sold and installed a different scenario, no matter the OEM or distribute or end user, they are more and more pay attention on the safety because automatic door is an automatic machine. It's not only convenient, it also need to ensure the door are working safety enough. So the safety is really important and pay attention by the end users. Next one is demand of a retrofit increase. This retrofit include the two parts. One is at the beginning, it is a manual door, but it's retrofit to the automatic door. And another side is, it is a automatic door at the beginning, but not safety enough. So now it's retrofit the safety protection performance, make it the door safety enough. So we can observe this kind of a trend also very clear on the market. And the third one is a touchless requirement, especially after the COVID-19, the people really care about the cross-touch, especially on the public areas, the door handle. So every people want to touch anywhere, go into the door, go out the door. So for the touchless requirement is quite strong now. Yeah. Next one is regarding the energy saving, because the door entrance of the building energy saving is really strong link with the entrance, the door open and close, because it's easy lose the cold air inside of the building. In the winter, the warm air also easy lose from this entrance. So the energy saving from the entrance is also a very important point, and more and more important. Yeah. Last one is the the door currently not only a function like a door, just open or close, but it also linked to more function, such like security of the building, like access control function of the building or office, and also some emergency exit also linked to the building manager system. So the door become an important device of the IoT network. So this also an important development trend we are observed. Okay, this is a 5-point for the automatic door development trend. Okay, so now we understand the market situation and development trend. So let's see how to secure a sliding door. So before start introduce the security of the sliding door, we need first to evaluate the door environment is a high risk environment or tolerated environment. So how to evaluate? Here is a short video to introduce that. It's according to the Europe EN standard defined. We need to evaluate what kind of people cross the door, and it is elderly people, children, pregnant women, or different people to decide this is a high risk or tolerated risk. Compared with the high risk, let's see the high risk environment definition. Okay. So for the high risk means during the close and opening, any contact for the user are not accepted. So for the safety area, we need to consider about 3 parts. One is a threshold area. That means the door front side and back side, 20 centimeter area should be protected. Second one is once the door closed, the closed edge need to be protected. And then once the door start to opening, the side of the door also are important to protect it. If some people stay side of the door, once the door open, it's also easy be hit. This is a definition about the higher risk and the protect area. So let's see the conclusion here. That means for the disabled people, elderly people, connected people, and the children, which appeared around the door. This kind of environment we called it's a higher risk environment. That means for the like a residential, for the shopping mall, hospital, and the kindergarten is a high risk environment. So for this kind of a high risk environment, what kind of a danger point we need to pay attention? First one is a threshold area. So once the door moving leaf is opening and close, the front side of the door, back side of the door leaf, 20 centimeter area should be protected. It is a danger point. Next one is the male closing edge, because in the middle, 2 sides of the door or leaf are closing. The people in the middle will be pitched and hit. It's also dangerous. And the side screen, as I mentioned, just some people, for example, the either people stay on the side of the door to have a rest. Once the door starts open, easy be hit. This is a high environment and the danger point for the high environment. Okay, so compare with the higher risk environment, how about the tolerated risk? It made for the office building. Sorry. Here also have a video to show that. Okay. here's some conclusion for the tolerated risk environment made for the office building, because in the office, where the people are the adult people, very healthy. So, but for the tolerated environment, what kind of a danger point need protected? It's two sides. One is a threshold area, one is a main closed edge, need specially protected. But for the tolerated environment, there are some special cases we really need to careful. One is for the door, which once it's the door opening, if the opening edge and the wall, the gap, the distance is lower than 20 centimeters, then there in this corner still dangerous. So this corner still need a special protected, no matter it is in the higher risk environment or lower risk environment. So this is a special point need pay attention. Next one is for the emergency escape route. This one because it's linked with some accident. If accident happen, the people need to quickly leave from the building, so the door need opening earlier. So there is some requirement for the opening distance. The request is the opening distance for the people need at least 1.5 meter front of the door. So that means that once the people arrive the front of the door need to open, full open earlier. So this is a 2-point special things we need to pay attention. Even it is a lower risk environment, but this two is still need required. Okay, here we listed some check list for the evaluate your application is a high risk or tolerated risk. So if you are interested, you also can download this from this link. So for the higher risk environment, we are recommend the full safety solution. That means the door, front side, back side, and both left and right side need to be full covered and protected. For the tolerated risk environment, we are recommend partly safety, which means two danger points need protected: the door threshold and the door main closing edge. But the special case, if the door opening the edge gap is less than 20 centimeters, it still needs to protect this area. This is a high risk and tolerated risk environment and the solution we are recommending. Okay, so we now understand the market situation and the sliding door worker environment, evaluate risk, item and the situation. So how to protect this danger point? So the third part is introduce the security of a sliding door solution. Okay, before we start the details, first let me introduce some safety technology we are used for the sliding door. Currently, they are most used two kind of technology. One is a photo beam. It is one infrared emitter and a receiver built light beam to protect as a basic safety solution for the sliding door. And another one is a light curtain, use the infrared or laser technology to full cover the area with a curtain. So here we did a video. During the video, we can clear to see the photo beam, even it's installed, but it's not safety enough, especially like video shows, like the video showed once the people have a small cut, it easy happens the missing detect, then hit the door or cut. But the light curtain is a much stable and good protection for the people and the object. So this is a real accident from a sliding door. Actually, the door already installed a photo beam, but it still hits the girl here because the installation position is another side of the door, but the girl stands another side. So it's really easy happens such kind of a accident. It's especially for the elderly people or children. It's very dangerous, not safety enough. So for the photo beam, we are really not recommend to use it. So here we listed 3 kind of technology: photo beam, infrared curtain, and the laser curtain as a safety solution for the sliding door. For the photo beam, no matter the installation, maintenance, and protective performance are not recommended. As you know, if you have some experience for the installation for the photo beam, you need to install one side emitter, one side receiver, and a very long cable to connect to the door operator. And the position emitter and the receiver need a full align. If there is some vibration on the door panel, it's easy have a false detection. And especially currently, most of sliding door use full glass door. That means there is no door form. Then the photo beam even no position to install it. And the photo beam also easily be impacted by the light, the sunshine. Easy happens the false detection and miss detection. So it's quite not safety enough. But for the infrared curtain and laser curtain based, it will be much better and easy because it's no need to separate emitter and the receiver 2 sides. It's integrated together. You just need to install one device top of the door. It's worked well, and the protection performance as video showed also very good. Okay. So let's see in the Asia Pacific, different country, different region, the infrared or laser curtain based adopt the percentage in the different region. As we can see in Australia, Middle East, India, South Asia, the curtain-based safety solution is adopted very high. Even in Japan, also very high. But for in China and Korea, most of the door are no infrared curtain-based. So especially in China, we feel there is around 28% sliding door, no any safety solution. Even the photo beam are missing. So it's quite not that good. There is a big room to improve the safety for the sliding door. For the Korea is a similar, only 8% use curtain-based safety solution. Okay, so for the security of the automatic sliding door, we are recommend 3 products. One is a basic 2-in-1 sensor, then safe. Next one is a 𝘃𝗹𝗂𝗯𝗶, also a 2-in-1 sensor. Last one is the OR scan. It's based on the laser scanner and the radar sensor together. So let's introduce the detail one by one. For the ZenSafe, the product is development from 2012 till today. It's already more than 10 years used. So this product is integrated the 2 technology, radar and the infrared curtain together. So for the function, it also have an opening and a safety two functions in one sensor, as the picture shows. So no need additional opening or safety installed. It's integrated in the one sensor. For the safety, there is a one curtain is have a 24 spots, infrared spot, to protect the door threshold area. So it's protect it very well. Yeah. So for the ZenSafe, we also offer the different configuration, which is we call the ZenSafe combo and the ZenSafe kit. Combo means in the packaging have a one ZenSafe and additional radar sensor together can be a total solution for the one set door outside and inside. With this configuration, can be a cost-effective option for the users. Next one is 𝘃𝗹𝗂𝗯𝗶. 𝘃𝗹𝗂 is a very popular product on all of the world. So it also we launched in 2012. So firstly, the product is quite safety. It's a reliable safety because you can see the video. The safety curtain have 48 spots. It's really a very good safety curtain to protect in front of the door. Yeah. Here the video shows we use a test body CE, which defined by the EN standard. Use a very narrow side, 20 centimeter, and black cover to put it different location in a curtain. You can see every position of the curtain can detect the black test body very well. So this show the detection capability is quite stable and reliable. From the one side to another side, any position can be detected and protected very well. Yeah, so that's we say this is a reliable safety. This curtain have two curtain. Each curtain have 24 spots, so two curtain have 48 spots. So the safety is quite good. And this product also complies safety standard in globally, like Europe standard, EN standard, German standard, DIN, and Australia standard S. All of them are compliant. So that's why this product are popular in all of the different regions in the world. And this product also easy set up because this have a LCD to directly read the deeper power meter, and it can be set up and read the sensor situation very well, easily, convenient. So for the installer and in the user, very friendly, and also have 4 visible spots to show the infrared curtain position very well. And it also have a zip code to show the read the parameter of the sensor directly, so help for the troubleshooting. So for the 𝘃𝗹𝗂, the product, no matter the installation, adjustment, the position of the curtain, and the troubleshooting, all of them are very convenient. This video shows the real visible spot on the field. Okay. And because this 𝘃𝗹𝗂 also integrated our newest radar module, ArcTech. So this ArcTech can have a unidirection detect to make the door close earlier, and also have the cross traffic rejection. Some people just parallel movement front of the door, but not go inside of the door. It also can be rejected. So it reduces unnecessary opening and also makes the door close earlier. So with this, we can energy saving for the building may come from the cost saving for from air conditioner. Because 𝘃𝗹𝗂, the infrared curtain can have a lot of different configuration, narrow, wide, left side and right side. So the 𝘃𝗹𝗂 can be adopted all of the different kind of a sliding door as the video showed. So it is a very flexible product, can be easy adopted to different door. So this is the 𝘃𝗹𝗂, reliable safety compliance, energy saving, easy setup by the LCD, and fit all of the sliding door. Okay, so because we see this product is very popular in all of the world, so here we listed some famous project on the world. As we can see, on a lot of airports like Beijing Daxing International Airport, Guangzhou Baiyun Airport, Dubai, Hong Kong Airport, Bangalore, and also the train station in Europe, all of the Universal Studio and the museum in London, German and Belgium, Spanish. All of the world different building country adopted this 𝘃𝗹𝗂 product. So it is quite popular and a good product. Okay, next one is FlatScan SL. This product is based on the laser technology, ToF technology, laser scanner, and the product fit. Special point is this product is very good for the huge door application. The product can install the maximum 5 meter high, and the detection field wide can up to the 6 meter. So it's really a good product for some big door or safety. And the light curtain have a 400 laser spot, so it can have a very high resolution to protect a very small object like the arm can be detected very well and protect. This product also have a 2 visible spot to help the installer adjustments the laser curtain to the right position. Yeah. Right position means it can save the time for the installer and also best detection performance for the door. This product also can be set a virtual push button on the door to trigger the door open. We have a video to show that. This is a good example for the sliding door. We use the SL to protect the safety, and we also set a virtual push button, the blue zone, to trigger the door open. Because this sensor have a independent two relay to response for the opening and the safety. So it also can use to the opening. Here you can see the video. We simulate the pit dog in the room to trigger the door open. Once the door open, the curtain is have a 400 spot to protect the people go in and go out very well. So this product, the detection capability is quite much higher than the standard defined. So it can detect a very small object. So it can be used to some very high level or safety protect. Okay. Here is some project which use the FlashScan SL. At the left side, you can see this wide door. Actually, this is a project located in Tokyo, a very famous building called the Mall Building. The end user actually already installed an infrared curtain to protect the safety, but they want to have a high level, better protector for the people. So they chose FlashScan SL here as an additional safety here. So after installation, the end user are quite satisfied for the performance of the FlashScan SL. So in the middle, especially for the hospital door or retrofit, and the kitchen door and the balcony door, especially for the inside of the home, because there is a baby, have a pet dog, so need a special high level of safety. So this one, FlashScan SL is a very good choice because it have a 400 spots in the curtain. Two or 3 centimeter object can be detected very well in the 2 and 3 meter distance. So in a home, it is a very good choice. Okay, this is a FlashScan SL. So as we can see, for some end user, even they have a infrared curtain to protect the door, but they still prefer some high level of safety. So that's why we develop a laser-based 2-in-1 sensor or scan. So for this OR scan, we launched this a few months ago globally for the BA. We called this one is an all-in-one sensor for the sliding door. Okay, so let's see why we called it is a all-in-one. So this OR scan also are 2 kind of technology used. One is radar technology as an opening, and as a laser technology for the safety and the safety. So this OR scan have a 180-degree opening angle, can full cover the door, no any gap is there. So it also have a 5 curtain, 2 curtain in front of the door, 3 curtain dynamic in the middle and back side of the door. Each of the curtain have a 250 laser spots. So the resolution, detection resolution is quite high. So all of those can offer a very good 100% safety coverage for the sliding door. And the edge to edge, the biggest detection distance is a 4.6 meter. So it can be adapted to the very high door and wide door, no problem. The mounting height is recommended is a 3.5 meter. As we mentioned, for this OR scan also complies the safety requirement like close edge and the threshold area and the side screen protect. The specialty point is this is only one sensor can protect all of this point, danger point. On a reference infrared sensor, it needs one sensor installed in the middle, one sensor installed left side and right side. So if you want to full complex EN standard requirement, you need to install at least 3 sensor is there. But now for the OR scan, only install the one sensor, it can be cover all of the different danger point. So it also have a EN 16005 and D 18650 standard, have a TUV certificate. So leading edge safety, threshold safety, side screen safety, all of this safety can be covered by one sensor or scan. So we call this is a ultimate safety, because each of the curtain have 250 spots. It can detect the hand, the arm very well, no any risk. So 5 curtain, 2 curtain full cover the front side of the door and the side screen. 3 curtain is a dynamic curtain. Once the door open, the protection curtain become wide. Once the door slowly to close, the detection field also according to with the same speed to close. Once the door full close, then only 2 curtain front of the door is worked. So once the door installed, one OR scan inside and one installed outside, then that means is a 10 laser curtain, front side of the door and the back side of the door, full covered the door danger point. So that we call it's a ultimate safety. So any risk of a contact is avoid. 100% cover the door. Yeah, 2 laser for the security whole door and 3 dynamic curtain according to the movement of the door leaf. And this OR scan also over the virtual push button. 4 kind of virtual push button can be set it, like the video showed. It's also very convenient for the hospital door, because in a hospital, the doctor mostly use foot or arm to trigger the door open, but not automatic door open. So for this kind of a door, no need additional opening sensor or foot trigger sensor to install on the wall. Just set up virtual push button, the location which you want to trigger the door. Okay, for the OR scan, it also integrated architect radar module inside. So it also can do the energy saving. You can see once the people movement, just parallel movement, not really going to the door, the architect module can detect it and filter it. Thanks to the laser technology, we can set a very lower uncover zone around the ground. So some water or snow or leaf on the ground, that also can be a filter, not impact the stability of the detection. So we see the OR scan also are 1 fit to all of the different kind of a door. Very wide door, very whole door, telescopic door, hygienic door, fire door, escape route. All of the different door can be adopted. So for such kind of a rich function and high-level safety sensor, how to set up it? Actually, it's also very simple and easy. There is a push button on the sensor. We just push it. The sensor will be automatic to measure the height of the door, the width of the door, the speed of the door movement, then automatic to define the safety area. Front door, back side of the door, and the side screen field can be automatically set it. The installer and the user even no need to do something. Yeah. So it is very intelligent sensor, yeah. Smart device, very convenient and friendly for the installer and the users. So we also offer a mobile app by the Bluetooth can link with the sensor to read the detailed parameter and the accurate setting for the sensors. We also offer the view function. Means once you, after installation, you want to check each of the detection performance area are correct or not, you can use the view function to see the app will be real-time sure the detection position, trigger, output or not. It's very convenient to ensure the sensor is correctly installed or not. So here we have a video to show the real detection capability of the OR scan. We use 8 centimeter diameter sticker to see the different positions, the side screen detection capability. Actually, this sticker, just like the arm of the people, and the top side, the middle, and lower side position can be detected well. For the threshold area, also same. You can see it is a 180-degree covered, full covered, all of the door position, no matter the top side and the bottom side, in the corner, everywhere. The small sticker are detected, very stable and reliable, as you can see. For the virtual push button, only trigger which you set it area. For the other area, it's not trigger the door open. Only the virtual push button area trigger the door open. So the virtual push button also work well. Totally maximum 4 virtual push button can be set. This is RTech inside technology can filter the parallel movement. Only open the door once the people move front of the door, move inside of the door. Yeah. Okay, so for the OR scan, it's designed by the 2 kind of technology, safety compliance, ultimate safety, energy saving, touchless, have a mobile app, can be adopt all kind of the sliding door. So that's why we call this OR scan is all-in-one sensors. Okay, except these 3 ZenSafe, 𝘃𝗹𝗂, and OR scan, we also have a different kind of sensor offered. Yeah, we quick listed here. For the opening, we have a magic switch. Is a touchless sensor, just hand wave in front of the sensor, 20 meter or 30 centimeter, then the door is open, triggered open. There's a 𝘃𝗹𝗂𝗯𝗶. This design is a very familiar for the people. The radar sensor Zen and Zen Uni, and the 𝘃𝗹𝗂𝗯𝗶 is a radar technology based for the trigger the door open. If the door already have some opening solution like access control, RFID card or fingerprint trigger the door open, then the door only need safety. Then we also have the different sensor choice. One is the safe, only the infrared curtain to protect the door safety, and the 𝘃𝗹𝗂 2 infrared curtain, and FlashScan SL, the laser-based safety sensor. And we also have, as we just introduced, the opening and the safety 2-in-1 sensor, ZenSafe and the View, 𝘃𝗹𝗂 and OR scan, all-in-one sensor. So this is a portfolio to show you we offered. Okay, during the design, we also considered about the cost save and the Earth environment protection. So if you choose the right sensor, it not only improves the safety, it also avoid the unnecessary door open. That means it also protects the door mechanical motor part, less unnecessary open, then increase the availability of the door. So during the product development, we also consider about sustainability. So during the design, we use very less power consumption. So for the most of the sensor, the power consumption is around less than 2 watt or 5 watt, very lower. So because of the architect inside the technology, we all avoid a lot of unnecessary door opening. So with this, we also can do the energy saving for the building, come from the air conditioner cost, and also can reduce the carbon emission to protect our environment, protect the planet. Okay, this is all of the information today we shared. So we quick summary about that. So first we introduce the market insight. In the globally, in next 10 years, automatic door market will be stability increase with 6.7%. And for the Asia, there is a take 30% of the globally automatic door market. And we separate by the different region for the volume of a sliding door and a swing door. Different region is a different situation. For the Asia Pacific, 88% is a sliding door and 12% is a swing door. And for the security of the sliding door, firstly, we evaluate the risk, higher risk environment or tolerated risk environment. For the different environment, we offer the different safety solution. For the high risk environment, we need to have 3 danger points: threshold area, side screen, closing edge. For the tolerated environment, we have 2, threshold and the closing edge. But there is a special case for the once the door open in a corner, the distance from a wall and the door edge less than 20 centimeter, it still need a protector easier. And another special point is for the emergency exit door, the opening distance should be larger than 1.5 meter. And then for the sensor solution, we really not recommend the photo beam as a safety solution for the sliding door. It's quite not convenient and not stable and not recommend. Well, we prefer you choose infrared curtain or laser curtain based sensor solution like ZenSafe, 𝘃𝗹𝗂𝗯𝗶, FlashScan SL or scan. Yeah. Okay, so let's say if any question. Okay, thank you, my colleague collected the question. Okay, first one is, in what situation would be OR scan sensor be a better option? Is it truly as easy to install and calibrate as started? Yes, for the OR scan, as we mentioned, for the higher risk environment, especially like airport and the hospital environment, better to choose OR scan because there is really a lot of different kind of people appeared there. The risk is quite higher, and the OR scan only use the one sensor. It can do all of the different kind of protection, front side of the door, back side of the door, left and the right side of the door, all of the area are covered and protected. So it's quite safety. It's also a useful for the end user in like airport and hospital or residential application. For the installation situation, yes, for the installer, only need to, after installation, only need adjustment the angle of the radar module. You want to fire or close, just like that. For others, for the safety part, the sensor can automatically to measure the size, define the best detection field. Very convenient for the installer. So it is very, how to say, very smart and convenient sensor. Yeah. Okay, next one is with the increasing cost of electric and the waiting different, how can we achieve better energy saving effectiveness? Yes, it is a good question. For the energy saving, actually, we did some tests last year. Once people you use unidirection radar technology, the people close to the door and cross the door go to another side. If use unidirection radar technology, when people cross the door, it can be closed earlier 3 to 5 seconds. So if a door, we can imagine if a door per day opening and close 200 times, then once one time can save 3 seconds. So for the one day, there will be save 10 minutes. That means then in these 10 minutes, the door is keep open, but no one people go inside or go outside. For this 10 minutes, for the inside of the building, the air conditioner will be lose a lot of cold air or warm air. So if you choose the unidirection radar sensor, it will be save a lot of energy. Another side, for the architect module, it can also optimize parallel movement. It also can avoid a lot of necessary opening. So it also a big improve. It's hard to say for the people, it's not easy realize that each few seconds energy saving. But once we add all of the time together, we can find it is a huge time and huge energy saving. So we really recommend to use architect technology and unidirection technology for the opening. It will be much helpful for the energy saving. Okay, let's see the third one. What's the difference between flash scan SL and OR scan when considering only the safety function? Yes, OR scan and the flash scan SL both is based on the laser technology. But for the flash scan SL is only one technology, laser, but no radar technology. So it can install the higher, like 4 meter, 5 meter. This is an advantage for the flash scan SL. But flash scan SL only have one curtain and 400 spots in this one curtain. But OR scan have 5 curtain. It can full cover the side screen and the threshold area, front side and back side. So how to say, for the OR scan, it is all-in-one. It's a smart sensor for full cover all of the different safety area. But flash scan SL only for the closing threshold protection. But it can be installed more higher. This is made difference. Okay, last one. Then safe sensor activates at what distance from the door? 2 meter, 2.5 meter. It is the distance is depend on the angle adjustment because the standard requirement is for the door threshold protection is the front side of the door 20 centimeter need to protect, back side of the door also 20 centimeter protected. So we have an angle adjustment, make the curtain close to the door and far away from the door. So it can be adjustment. Let's see any other question. Will there be a or scan can like a sensor for the swing door set? Or scan made all the function and design made for the sliding door. For the swing door, we have other laser product like because the movement, door leaf movement is a big difference between sliding door and the swing door. Sliding door just move like this way, but swing door is move like this way. So it's hard to adopt the or scan on the swing door. But for the swing door, we have a flat scan SW and a 3D SW as a protector installed on the door leaf. The door leaf take the sensor together to movement, so it will be much better. But for the OR scan, so far, it's hard to adopt on the swing door. Okay, because of the time is limited, so for other questions, we can answer the offline. So we will contact you to answer the question you left. And if you meet some special requirement or some challenge on site for the automatic door, we really welcome to contact us. We may help you to find the best solution on your project on a different door. Okay, thank you for the time to attend this webinar. We really hope you can share some of your feedback to us for this webinar, any expectation or any challenge you faced. So it will help us to improve our product and the service in future. It's much appreciated. Okay, thank you very much. And we end the webinar now. Okay.